चलो now, so very good. Okay, so it is 3 into x minus 4. So it's possible length, breadth and height. So its possible dimensions can be 3x x minus 4 over here. So we can write here as here possible dimensions can be 3x and x minus 4. Okay, 3 comma x and x minus 4 is equal to, now from all these terms if I take k as common, it is 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now here we are having three terms, so how we will factorize them? इनका फैक्टराइजेशन कैसे करेंगे? क्लास 8 में चीख चीख के समझाया था कि जब भी थ्री टर्म्स आए व्हाट वी विल यूज. यस याशिला, यू आर अनम्यूटेड नाउ.
सर मैंने x माइनस 4 को मैंने रूट एक्स प्लस 2 इंटू रूट एक्स माइनस 2 को मैं कन्वर्ट कर दिया सर.
हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं, बट फिर वहां पे आपको 4 डायमेंशन हो जाएंगे, 1 2 3 एंड 4. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको बस 3 डायमेंशन निकालना है ना, एल बी एंड एच. ओके, तो वो भी चलेगा, नो इश्यू याशिला, बट उसमें 4 डायमेंशन आपके हो जाएंगे, इजंट इट? याशिला, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? राइट, एंड मीनवाइल हियर बहुत लोगों ने आंसर किया है स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. यस, चलो कौन मुझे बताएगा यहाँ पे स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म कैसे करेंगे? So Janvi, will you speak? I am trying to unmute you. Janvi P. यहाँ पे splitting the middle term कैसे लगाएंगे? Right. Okay. I think there is some error in unmuting you. Who will tell me? Aditya G. Can you tell me?
Yes sir.
हाँ बोलो कैसे करेंगे?
Sir minus 5y.
Okay, minus 5 into अच्छा आप डायरेक्ट फाइनल आंसर बोल रहे हो -5y. पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -5 इंटू 3y स्क्वायर. अब उनके ऐसे फैक्टर निकालो कि माइनस करके आंसर आए 2. सो डेफिनेटली इट इज 5 and 3. मिडिल टर्म के साइन हम दे देंगे बड़े नंबर को. इट इज +5y minus 3y. So your answer is +2y, isn't it? So we'll separate 2y or split 2y as 5y minus 3y. हाँ Janvi, but I think there are some technical errors. I could not unmute you. I was trying here from here so many times. So it is equal to k 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Okay, so it is equal to k. So if I take y common from here, it is 3y plus 5. If I take -1 common from here, it is also 3y plus 5. So it is equal to k. If I take 3y plus 5 as common, it is 3y plus 5, and here it is y minus 1. Okay, so here so Sakib, I'll answer your doubt. So it is first term, it is second term, and it is third term. So here your possible dimensions can be k, comma 3y plus 5, comma y minus 1. So any of these three can be your length, breadth, and width. Now here Sakib is asking that, sir, why 3 into x cannot be length? So Sakib, you can take 3 into x as length. Then what about breadth and height? फिर आप breadth and height क्या लोगे? Right, because दो चीजें लेनी है ना, x minus 4 इधर आपका breadth होगा, इधर आपका height होगा. What about next thing? If you are taking x minus 4 as breadth, what you will take your height? So Sakib, is it clear to you? हाँ, yes. Height 1 लेना पड़ेगा. Now Sakib is telling, no Sakib, you cannot take breadth as x and height as minus 4. See, breadth and height are in product over here. Length, breadth and height are having product sign in between them. So they should be multiplied with each other. Here x and 4 are not multiplied with each other. Here they are having subtraction sign. Okay. So yes, you can take height as 1. Abhay. We can take height as 1. Okay. Now Yashila is trying to tell something. Wait. हाँ. Yes, Yashila, you are unmuted now. Can you speak? हाँ.
सर हम उसी में x माइनस 4 टर्म को ही हम स्प्लिट
हाँ,
कर सकते हैं ना सर,
हाँ,
रूट x में
हाँ,
करके हम वो
हाँ,
a माइनस b होल
yes,
स्क्वायर के टर्म
हाँ.
पे ला सकते हैं फॉर्म को.
a माइनस, हाँ देखो 3x, x माइनस 4 को आप ये लिख सकते हो रूट x माइनस 2 रूट x प्लस 2, इजंट इट? अब आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, आप बहुत सारे परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई कर सकते हो. सपोज दिस इज लेंथ, दिस इज ब्रेथ, दिस इज हाइट, और यू कैन टेक दिस एज लेंथ, दिस एज ब्रेथ, एज दिस एज हाइट, or you can take this whole combination as length, this combination as breadth and height equal to 1. ऐसा करके आप कुछ भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, isn't it? So you will be having so many combinations. Now Ahad is telling that he didn't understood this question. I'm repeating this question once again. We have to factorize these expressions. They have given that these are the volume of any cuboid, and we have to find possible length, breadth and height. So how we can find possible length, breadth and height? Definitely we have to factorize that volume. We have to write that volume in terms of something into something into something. So 3x square minus 12x. First we have taken 3x common, so it is x minus 4. So here three terms are in product with each other. That is, first term is 3, another is x, another is x minus 4. So definitely possible dimensions will be 3x and x minus 4. Here first we have taken k is common. Then since we are having three terms, we have applied splitting the middle term formula. So it is k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So it is also your length, breadth and height. So is it clear? Right, I hope it is clear now. इतने में तो clear हो ही जाना चाहिए. If it is not, use recording after the class. So it is your question number 5. After that, you are having doubt in question number 6. So let us see question number 6 over here. So in question number 6, they are asking, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Okay. We can take any two dimensions as one. Two dimensions को one नहीं ले पाओगे प्रहलाद, वो कर सकते हैं, बट यही फॉलो करो. सी वो मैंने आपको दिखाया, दोस आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज. यू कैन टेक वन, बट बेटर कि आप जैसा मैंने आपको कराया वैसे ही करो. एल बी एच तीनों आप सेपरेटली लिखो, बिकॉज वहां से आपको बहुत सारे परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेंगे, and your school will not allow that. Okay, so for basic understanding, I explained you that yes, we are having so many permutation and combination of length, breadth and height, but better you consider only these three. Okay, now let us see question number 6. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. So our first term is minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 cube. चलो, who will tell me how to find? हमें एक तो क्यूब भी करना नहीं है. Okay, and we have to find this expression. Chalo, do we have any formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Tell me. Do we have any formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? No, na? Isn't it? Right. And Navya want to tell something. Okay, yes, Navya. Wait. You are unmuted now, Navya. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Navya.
so we can use a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula.
Very good. And what is that formula? Tell me. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, first we will write our formula over here. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, it is equal to, yes Navya?
A plus b plus
Okay, a plus b plus c
into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ac minus bc.
That's it. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. So now here let us use that formula, and if you will carefully observe over here your a plus b plus c, that is minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will become 0. Okay. हाँ वैसे भी कर सकते हैं विकास, no issue, but this will be easier. Okay, so here a plus b plus c is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. So since it is equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0.
Equal to 30.
So a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3 times a b c in this question. Okay, so here my a is minus 12, my b is 7, c is 5, is equal to 3 times minus 12 into 7 into 5. Okay, now see here carefully. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105, isn't it? Or 7, you can do like this. 7 5s are 35, 12 3s are 36. So now you have to multiply 36 and 35. So do you know shortcut for this? Okay, so here its shortcut will be 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 18 36. So here we'll keep 6 from 36, 3 will be here, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 3 12. So 1260 and it is in negative. So it will be equal to minus 1260. Is it clear? So without doing cube, we have find its value. Okay. So SS is telling 35 square plus 35. Why that 35 square plus 35? Yes, we can do that. It will be easier, right? I am repeating it once again. Wait, let me read your comments. So, wait, please forget about shortcut now. Right, I will teach you shortcut in offline classes. Don't worry, with lots of examples. Okay. So here, I think Avyay was asking something. I'm not able to find his comment. Avyay or something else. Wait. Sir, they have not given minus 3abc. Yes. अब समझना यहाँ पे minus 3abc यहाँ पे नहीं दिया है, but a cube plus b cube plus c cube तो दिया है ना, right? And I am not using this formula instead of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I am putting this here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, which will become 3abc here. I am repeating whole question once again. So here we have to find value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So what is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Okay, so a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ac or ca minus bc. Okay, so from here if I'll simplify, so here if you'll observe your a plus b plus c is 0. So if I put 0 over here, this whole will become 0. So minus 3abc will go to that side, it will become 3abc, and after multiplication I got this. Okay, we will go to question 7 after this, Yashash. So this was your question 5th first part, is for question 6 and then question 7. Now in second part, you can do it directly from home. Same. Here also 28 minus 15 minus 13. So 28 minus 28 will be 0. So you can directly put a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now let us see question number 6. So in question number 6, oh sorry, this was only question number 6, sorry, my mistake. So question number 7. In question number 7, they were asking to factorize a to the power 7 plus a into b to the power 6. So see over here. First, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा? Here also we are having a, here it is a to the power 7. So if I take a as common, this first term will become a to the power 6 because a to the power 6 into a is a to the power 7. If I take a as common, it is b to the power 6. So here we are having a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Chalo, sorry. Who will tell me how we can factor this a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6? Vastav, can you try? You are unmuted now.
Sir,
I think Avyay is unmuted now. Okay, Vastav, we will try another question. बोलो अव्यय कैसे करेंगे?
सर हम लोग 8 to the power 6 को 8 to the power 2 to the power 3 लिख सकते हैं.
Very good. Yes, because हमारे पास a cube
Sir,
plus b
वो
cube की formula है, isn't it? So this can be written
Yes,
as a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. हम cube का square भी लिख सकते हैं, but cube का square क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हैं? क्योंकि a square plus b square की formula नहीं है हमारे पास. हमारे पास a cube plus b cube की formula है, इसलिए cube को बाहर रख रहे हैं. चलो, what is the formula of a cube plus b cube, अव्यया?
sir, a plus b
Yes.
into a square plus b square
Yes.
minus ab.
Minus a. Okay. So let us put all these values together.
a square plus b
Okay,
square.
no. Yes, Avya, a square plus b square, because here your a square will be a and b square will be b, isn't it? So in next
Yes, sir.
question or next part,
a to the power 4
yes, a square whole square, that is a to the power 4, or I don't
min
not write it is directly, it is a square whole to the power square minus a square b
a
square
square b square
plus b
plus
square whole square.
b.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Avaya. Now I'll do it from here. So it is a into a square plus b square. It is a to the power 4 minus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Is it clear? Question number 7. Okay. So this is all about your question number 7. Okay. What is the answer given at back? A into a square plus, okay. So we'll go more further. ठीक है, हम थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ेंगे, जो समझना वो अच्छा वाला है. ठीक है. So now we are going to find its middle term. समझना. So if it is 2 marks question, you can complete till here. If it is 2 marks question, you can leave till here. You will get 2 marks. But if it is 3 marks question, आपको आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. Now how? अब आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे समझना. So a and a square plus b square, these two terms will remain as it is. So if you carefully observe this third term, in this third term your middle term can be minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4 plus 3a square b square. Or if I'm taking this as plus 2, then I should take here minus 3, because 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. And if I'm taking minus 2 over here, then it should be plus 1. But if I take here plus 1, then there is no sense for it. So here I'll take plus 2 and here I'll take minus, because here it should be minus. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको middle term find करनी है. What will be the middle term of a to the power 4 and b to the power 4, students? 2a square b square, isn't it? Right, a to the power 4 and b to the power 4. The middle term of a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 will be 2a square b square. Okay. So now this will be equal to a into a square plus b square. Okay. Here in this portion, this can be written as a square plus b square whole square. So it is a to the power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4 minus 3a square b square. It can be written as root 3ab whole square, because root 3 का square हो जाएगा 3 and this is a square b square. So if we simplify it further, this is a square plus b square. Now this is a square minus b square, right? This whole is your a, this whole is your b. Okay, I'm writing this formula. See, a square minus b square. I'm not to avoid confusion in capital A and small a, or to avoid confusion in this a and a, I'm writing this whole term as capital A. So it is a minus b, a plus b. We all know that. So this can be your a, this can be your b. So a square minus b square can be a minus b, that is a square plus b square minus root 3ab, and a plus b, that is a square plus b square plus root 3ab. So a square plus b square minus root 3ab and a square plus b square plus root 3ab. This will be your final answer. Is it clear? So if we'll come till here, if we'll stop here, we will get 2 marks. If we'll come till here, you will get 3 marks. Okay, I'm repeating this once again. From this gap, 2 mark to 3 mark. So if this question comes in 2 marks section, you have to complete this question till here. If it is coming in 3 marks section, you have to complete till here. So here a to the power 4 minus a square b square plus b to the power 4. If you'll observe this carefully, your middle term should be plus 2a square b square. And to balance this minus a square b square with plus 2a square b square, I am writing this as plus 2 minus 3. That is minus a square b square. I am converting minus a square b square into 2 terms. Those 2 terms are plus 2a square b square minus 3a square b square. Is it clear? ये चीज क्लियर हुई? माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर को, मतलब ये दिस इज योर माइनस वन को मैंने लिखा प्लस 2 minus 3, because 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this can be written as a square plus b square whole square. This can be written as a square plus b square whole square. Okay. हाँ यशस, अब उससे क्या होगा, आप यहाँ पे -2 लिखोगे, यहाँ पे +1 लिखोगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पे -2 +1 पे ये a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, बीच में प्लस हो जाएगा, जिसके हमारे पास फॉर्मूला नहीं है. Right? We are having only formula of a square minus b square, so minus should be always here. Okay, so this is your a square plus b square whole square. Check it, a to the power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. और इसको होल स्क्वायर के टर्म में लिखना है तो √3ab होल स्क्वायर. So if you'll observe this carefully, Prahlad, can you write full form of SMT? What is SMT? So it is a square plus b square whole square minus root 3 ab whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus root 3